Okay, this is kicked down after tune-up, 16 spark plugs. Care for the way the transmission shifts. It's too rough. It's not butter smooth like the 7 Series BMW. Even my old 98 shifted silky smooth. This car's got 117,000 miles on it. I'm gonna have to do a transmission service. I don't know any history. Plugs alone has never been replaced. It was still the original plugs. So I think a transmission service should help it a little. But I've got warranty on this vehicle, so I'm going to go and claim everything before the warranty runs out.